Good morning to one and all. We are the students of class 10th. Here to present a skit on Padal Babu. Now the characters are Yashashri Padal Babu, Nikita narrated, Navya Shashanko, Tirmal Rock director, Ganesh Nishikanto Ghosh, myself narrator. Scene 1. The story Padal Babu film star tells us about an opportunity that a man called Padal Babu came across and how he was able to fulfill a lifelong dream. Padal Babu had a smooth sailing work life, but because of retrenchment due to the war cost of his job. Since then, he had struggled to make living. He tried every means of earning a livelihood without ever succeeding impairing his lot. And acting that has become a thing of remote past. Now let us see how he got opportunity to act.
Patal, are you in?
Yes, just a minute. What brings you here so early in the morning?
What time will you be back? In an hour or so, what? I hope you will stay in after that. I met my brother-in-law yesterday. He is in the film business. He was looking for an actor in the film they are shooting. The character has said, get short, bald-headed, he has reminded me of you and gave him your address and asked to touch with you.
I really don't know why I should see him. What's his name?
Narrated, he is about 30.
Scene 2. After some time, Nareshtat came to visit Patal to discuss about role in the film. Nareshtat enters.
Come in, sir, come in. Do sit here.
No thanks.
Do you think I'll be alright for the part?
Yes. I'll tell you where you have to go. Tomorrow at 8:30 sharp Faraday House.
But you haven't told me about my part yet.
Oh yeah, a pedestrian. Do you have a jacket that buttons up to the neck?
Yes, I think I do have one. I hope the part calls for some dialogue.
Certainly. You have acted before, right?
Yes, as a matter of fact, yes.
Scene 3. Padal Babu reached Faraday's house. With a baffled face, Padal started to look for Nareshtat, the only person who slight tremor in his arm. Padal Babu advanced towards the entrance. This way, Atul Babu.
Atul Babu, I suppose you haven't noted down my name yet. It's Sita Lakantori.
Good, good. I suggest you go and wait in the shade there. Here, sir, some hot tea will help you through.
Can you give me my lines?
Your lines come with me. Shashanko, why don't you write them on a piece of paper and give it to him? He is the one who... I know. Shashanko tore a page from notebook. He carried scribbled something on it and handed it to Padal Babu. Padal Babu glanced at the paper and found that only a single word had been scribbled on it. It's O.
Are these people pulling my leg? Is this whole thing a gigantic hoax? They dragged me here to make a laughing stock of me. How could anyone be so cruel?
What's the matter, Grandpa?
I find it rather strange. Just oh, is that all I have to say?
What are you saying, Grandpa? Do you not realize how big of a role this is? You have a part in Baron military and like a speaking part. Even a hero, Shashil Kumar, has the right of speaking. You're very lucky to have that. Well, I'll tell you what you have to do. Shashil Kumar is a rising executive who has informed us that the embassy meeting has taken place in his office. He gets in his car and rushes to his office and politely asks many friends to that's you. You're hurt in the head and say, oh, but Shashil Kumar pays no attention to you and he strides to his office. I hope everything is clear. Scene 4. Padal Babu went slowly back to Punjab. He glanced down the paper and crumpled into a ball. He threw it into the bin. He starts manner of the Sunday party. He spent in Karali Babu's house singing songs in praise of Goddess Kali.
Oh, just one word. Not even a word, a song. What harm could there be? Why waste a Sunday morning? What if I were to go there? They put up this contest show for something so trivial.
Pain for Mary stayed up in Padal Babu's mind. Some prizes was given by his mentor Pakrash, which made him bow his head in absence. With the respect, extract the essence of the word O for the identification of audience.
Oh, oh, oh,
The slave.
oh.
The slave exclamation when spoken in different ways carried different shades of meaning. In fact, there were so many kinds of O's. The short O, O long drawn, O shouted, O whisper.
Strange. I could write a whole thesis on this one monosyllabic exclamation.
Silence.
How long will it be before my turn comes?
Why are you so impatient, Grandpa? You have to wait in this line of business. It will be another half an hour before your call.
That's right, I'll certainly wait. I'll be at that side street across the road.
Okay, as long as you don't sneak off.
Start sound.
Scene 5. Padal Babu practiced the syllabic in various ways. And then He was gone exactly half an hour.
I hope you know what you're supposed to do.
Yes, sir.
I'll first say start sound. The recordist will reply by saying running. That will be your wing, Vito walking from the pillar and hero to come out of the car. Make a dash for the office so that collection takes place at the spot.
One question, please. What if I were to have a newspaper open in my hands?
Do you mind handing a paper to this gentleman suit for this one shot? Thanks.
Oh! The hero sat back against Padal Babu's forehead, with mixing 50 parts of anguish, 25 parts of surprise, and 25 parts of irritation. And he cried and said, "Oh,
Good.
How was it, sir?
Good. You're quite an actor.
Thank you.
I'll come to the short while I'm reading it." 10 minutes later. 10 minutes later. That's all. The man hasn't been paid yet. What a strange man.
Silence, silence.
Patal Babu satisfied with his acting job. He felt that 20 rupees was measured against the intense satisfaction of a small job done with perfection and dedication. And thus he felt the shooting sight without receiving his money. The place continues to buzz with the calls of Parent Malik. Thank you!